The man who moves a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. Our greatest glory is not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The only person you should try to be better than is the person you were yesterday. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it. Don't be afraid to go slowly, be afraid only of standing still. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. The more you give, the more you receive. In the middle of every difficulty lies opportunity. The only limit to our realization of tomorrow will be our doubts of today. The biggest risk is not taking any risk. In a world that is changing quickly, the only strategy that is guaranteed to fail is not taking risks. The way to success is to never stop learning. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, but you must keep taking steps to reach your destination. The only thing standing between you and your dream is the will to try and the belief that it is actually possible. The only limit to our achievements is our own imagination. The best way to predict the future is to. Success is not final, failure is not fatal, it is the courage to continue that counts. The greatest glory in living lies not in never falling, but in rising every time we fall. The road to success and the road to failure are almost exactly the same. The mind is everything. What you think, you become.